So most AI projects don't fail because of the technology. They fail because of strategy. And I want to demonstrate that to you in a couple of minutes. Okay. So let me just come back in a few seconds and we can talk about that, right? Excellent, guys. I see you shortly. Hey, how are you doing? My name is Tony. I'm the founder of Silvara right here. What we do is very simple: raise awareness about renewable energy and sustainability. So, if you're interested to break, expand into Africa, we are your eco bridge to this market. We can help you with three things: visibility, the leads, and also the deals. Or if you're looking to decarbonize, we are again your eco bridge sustainable pathway, and we can help you with carbon footprint assessment and carbon reduction strategy. So, I think one thing that I would say is that uh, organization they often rush into AI adoption. They buy tools, they launch pilots, they create excitement, and then they will struggle to generate meaningful outcomes. Why? Because they started with technology instead of starting with the business objective, right? So here is the simple rules that I want you to understand. Yeah, that changed for me everything. So you should never ask what AI tool should we use. No, I don't think that's the right answer. The question should be what business problem are we solving? That's actually what you want to see here in order for you to really make sure that you tap into the value here. Because the highest performing organization, they focus on measurable outcomes, right? What do they want? So from what I know, reduce processing time. Yeah, it matters to them. They want faster decision making. Yes, it matters to them. They want better customer experience. Yes, it matters to them. And it clearly want improved margin. We all want that. Isn't it true? Yeah. Excellent. I'm sure you recognize yourself in those 4 points that I mentioned in here. So if that's the case, then I would say technology and it's simply an enabler. That's what it is. The objective is to create value for the business. Yeah, this is actually what we that we're all talking about here. So before you adopt any AI solution, you want to answer this. Yeah. So what problem are we solving? Yeah. How will we measure success? So who owns the implementation? Yes. And what processes changes are required for me to make it happen? Right. So if these answers are unclear, you want to pause clearly and make sure that you bring clarity because clarity will beat the speed. Every time in my business, I've stopped and make sure that I clarify things. After that, things are just a lot easier, a lot faster for me because I know where I'm going and I know what I'm doing. Very important. Yeah, make sure that that is the case for you. Those 4 questions really matters. And this is exactly the conversation we're going to have in our June 24th webinar, right? And we're going to look at not which tool are trending. No, that's not the right thing to be looking at, like I say, but which tool create measurable values. That's what we're talking about here. That's what, the title of the webinar is Your Green Business Does Not Need More AI Tools. It needs the right one. So register, look at the link that's scrolling down below. And if you can't click that, I know I'm just gonna drop it also in the comment box. So you make sure to do that and register. And once you register, let me know. I celebrate you. Yeah, okay? Excellent. See you soon. Okay? Take care. Bye bye.